Reflection. A blessed Monday, everyone. I am happy and blessed that I was able to learn more despite being at home. Thank you to my teacher and parents for their assistance in helping me in getting these activities done. I can say that it is also a sad day because we are unable to interact face-to-face with my teacher and classmates. But I was able to see them on our GC by sending our outputs. I remain hopeful that one of these days, physical classes will become the normal one. Again, thank you and keep safe, everyone. Thank you po, teacher.